Hi there, my name's Glenn and I'd like to welcome you to this demonstration of the Viral PDF Master software. In this video I just want to take you through a quick demonstration and overview of the software firstly, and show you some of the functions. In the next video we'll go into some more detail and create a project, and I'll show you how fast and easy it is to use. So let's get started. When you first open the software, this is the screen you'll see. From there you just click the next button. Here's where we choose our original PDF file. That's the PDF file you want to add the special pop-up windows to, so we just locate that, click on that. Now for purposes of the demonstration I'll just pick this PDF here, so I'll click that one and click open. That automatically adds it into that field there. The output file, that's where you want to save the newly generated PDF file which has the pop-up in it, so you can save that anywhere on your system, but for these I will just save it here and just call it test PDF 1. That'll do, just for example. Okay, so that's all you do there. Click the next button. Okay, now as you can see here there's a number of functions. We've got start a new viral PDF, open template, save template, and a help function. Now when you set up your PDFs, your pop-ups I should say, there's three options. There's a open PDF action, close PDF action. Now they're fairly self-explanatory as to what they are, so what we want to do first is determine what we want to set up for the opening pop-up window. Now there's choices here. You can either set up a message box or an opt-in box. So for this example we'll just show you how an opt-in box goes. So click on the opt-in box and you see these options here. The message preview window is you'll see a scaled preview of the design that you end up doing. That'll be visible here all the time, which is good if you want to edit it or change it or anything like that, so it's quite clear. Here's where you can set up the button descriptions. That is the submit button and the cancel button. You can custom name them whatever you like. It doesn't really matter. Cancel action, that determines if what happens if the reader cancels or tries to exit the PDF. Now there are options there. We've got open a web page or close a document or do nothing. So they're the three choices you have there. Here's where we put the HTML code for the opt-in form. Now this is a really important code to put in here, and that you must get the code right. Definitely I recommend that you would check the form code is working correctly in the first place by testing it on a web page and see that the data is getting sent to the right database in your autoresponder system that you've got. It's important because if the form code you add here is not working, then it will defeat the whole purpose of having the opt-in form in the PDF. So just test your form code on a web page. Make sure it's working before you actually add it into your PDF. We can do a view project, but that's not working because we haven't created anything, so there's nothing to see. So there we have what one option you can do for the open PDF action, and you can also set up a closed PDF action. Same thing, message box or an opt-in box, it really doesn't matter, but I'll show you a message box here. It's basically the same. You've got an area where you can see the design here. You have the option here where you can have one button or two buttons, so you can have an OK button and a cancel button. You can then custom name those buttons, the OK text, and you can set up the OK action. In other words, if someone clicks the OK button, what will happen? They'll either do nothing or open a web page. And same thing here where you've got cancel text, which relates to here. and the cancel action, what you want them to do if they click that cancel button. It's either do nothing or open a web page. Now with both of these we have an add message function. Now here's where you actually design your pop-up. So it's that clicking on add message opens up a fully functioning HTML editor where you can type in really whatever you like. You can design anything you want and put it in here. I won't start it now. I'll show you in the next video exactly how this works. But that's, you can, I'll just give you one quick. You can type that. You can center it. You can change the size, underline it, bold it, change the color, as you can see there. Okay, so, and we can also add images as well, but I'll give you a better demonstration of that in the next video. The other option, there's other settings. Here you can actually set the font size either to normal or large, and you can have normal or large with a bold style. If you check that, that will give you a bold in either normal or large. The other great feature is an open action time delay. So in other words, what you set here for this particular template will determine when the actual pop-up window opens in the PDF document. So if your reader has your document and they open it, you could set that for say 2 minutes, and 2 minutes after they open it, the pop-up window will appear with your opt-in form in it. So it's a delayed opening, so they get a chance to, or the reader gets a chance to be looking through your PDF before they see your opt-in window. So it will open and then they'll have to complete that. So once you finish designing whatever you're doing, as you can see, there's our preview that we did before. We've just got the little welcome there. So once you've done that and you're happy with your design, you just click Save Template. You would then name the template as you want and save it to be able to retrieve later. So that's pretty much as simple as it is. It's not difficult at all. It's really very straightforward. It's not complex. So that's just a basic overview to start with. I'll come back with a second video and we'll then go through and set up and design an actual pop-up window. That way you'll see how quickly and easily that can be done and how long it will take. So thanks for looking at this, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.